In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a new profile on your Safari web browser on your MacBook, Mac OS device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Safari button up in the menu bar, and then you want to go down and select where it says Create Profile. At this point, you can go ahead and select the Start Using Profiles button, create a name for your profile. You can choose a symbol or a representation for that. You can also color code it as well. And then you can save your favorites in a location on your device or create a new bookmarks folder. Select Create Profile to save that, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And if you wanted to remove it, you could just come back in here, and then you would select your user account over here on the right side, and you could just do a little subtraction sign to delete, select delete and stop using profiles, and that's how you would delete it. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.